Hi, it's Adrienne. How are you doing today? So I'm back with an advent calendar that I walked by a couple of times in Ulta, and then I said, no, I need that. So we'll be unpacking an advent calendar, but to get started, I'll go ahead and tell you what I have on. Did start out with Haus Labs. I have mine in shade 70, and then the Lumi Glotion. I mixed those together for my base today. And then as far as the lips, I went ahead and used the e.l.f. Lip Stain in red and a little bit of the Essence Extreme Shine. So that's what I got on there. And as far as going ahead and looking at the cheeks today, I started with the MAC Radiant Light Rosy Bronzer and went ahead and added in some of the NYX Get and Butta. And so this is the blush that I have on there. And then I did go ahead and pick this up at Ulta a little bit earlier. And this is their Royal Highlighter. It's actually a multi-chrome highlighter, and I had that on as well. It's from the Bridgerton collection. It's really pretty. I've been really enjoying this. This would be good for a stocking stuffer or a gift for a coworker if they really like makeup or somebody like that. It's really pretty. It goes from really what's more of a coral to a gold, and it's just a really pretty highlighter. Would highly recommend. And then as far as what I went ahead and put on the eyes today, I got out Vivette by Adept. And I did go ahead and put this matte in the crease, this matte on the lid, then a little bit of this matte here. And I went ahead and put that red on the lid. Let me see which ones I did here. So I did this duochrome right in the eyebrow area or the outer corner. And then I did this one right from here to here. So I do have on a lot of sparkly eyeshadow, and I've actually packed all of my eyeliner, all of my gel eyeliners. So there's no eyeliner today, but here's how the look came out. And I am using the really fun and the newer Lash Without Limits. This one's a tubing one. I'm finding out that that's working really well for me. As far as the advent calendar, isn't it cute? It's a Ferris wheel, but unfortunately it doesn't really spin. But it does have lots of fun stuff in there, so I thought we'd start with day one. And again, this is the Joybright advent calendar. It's available over at Ulta. And as far as day one, I tried some of the Joybright lipsticks last year, and I just ended up really liking them. So I thought that this would be a good one. And it looks like it's an eyeshadow here. So let's see what kind of, yeah, that's an eyeshadow. So there's a little swatch there. And again, that's what that looks like. And then moving on to day two. It is really fun though. It is a cute little, I mean, you can't go wrong with that, you know. So they all open here from the top. And advent calendars just make you excited about the holidays. So here's another one, and this one, I'm thinking this one is a little sample of a bronzer here. That's what it kind of looks like. Let's see if we can get a swatch here. So that's the eyeshadow and that's the bronzer. So there we go with those two. And number three, there are 12 days total here. Number three is actually going to be a lip gloss, and it looks like it's a little bit of a brown one here. So it looks like these are all sample sizes from what I can see, so that you can try out all their goodies. So again, a lip gloss. And let's see, number 4 is going to be another lip gloss here. Yeah. And this is the color on this one. So again, the same sort of thing where you go ahead and do this kind of thing. And that's a really pretty mauve-y color there. It's almost a neutral, actually. So that's a pretty one there. And let's go ahead and try number 5. And this one is an eyeshadow stick. So it's going to be this color. So this is going to be a really pretty beigey color. Yeah. So, yeah. You got the pink there, the bronzer, and then this one is going to be the eyeshadow. So again, really fun. So far, I'm not mad at all. I mean, I didn't spend very much money on it, and I'm enjoying what I'm getting. So, brow gel. So I think this one will probably be clear. But it's another little, yeah, there we go, like that. So a brow gel. And so far, it seems like this is, yeah, a pretty good advent calendar. I wouldn't mind getting this from somebody. And I did go ahead and get, what's this? Yeah, I think it's an eyebrow pencil. There we go. So that's it right there. So it's definitely going to be, or it might be, a brown eyeliner. Let's see, does it say here? Nope, it doesn't say on this one. So I guess it's a use as you want to. And then we're already on 8? Yeah, we are. So there are only 12 little boxes here. 8. So this one's a lipstick. And got a brown kind of color there. So pretty, pretty. And 9. Oh, 9 is giving me a problem. There we go. 9 is going to be an eyeshadow trio. So a basic eyeshadow trio. This would be all stuff that would be good for traveling because it's small and it would go in a suitcase and it wouldn't cause you much problem. So there's that one. And then let's see this one, number 10. Ooh, this looks like it's also another eyeshadow trio. So there we go with that. And so again, another pretty eyeshadow trio there. Okay, 2 more. 11. It looks like they really put some time and thought into this, so yeah. Oh, it's a little puff. So to go ahead and put your powder under your eyes, so cute little puff there. And let's see, number 12, which is the last one for this one. So it's a little, yeah, a little charm that you can go ahead and put on your handbag, or yeah, that's really cute. So yeah, it's a fun little calendar. It has a whole bunch of products that you could definitely use, and a whole bunch of products that you could definitely take if you're traveling, because they're all going to be, yeah, they're all going to be pretty much sample size. But like I said, when I went ahead and got the Joybright stuff last year, I just really enjoyed it. I had picked up a couple of their lipsticks. So actually, it just makes you happy to open up an advent calendar. So very happy with what I got. And again, for, you know, a $20 advent calendar, it would definitely make somebody smile. So that's the best thing about them, and you get to try something a little bit different than what you would normally get. So that's the video, and thank you, and I hope that you have a great day. Bye.